Welcome to VideoBomb. Here's how to enter to win a dream trip to your favorite US Six Flags theme park. To get started, select your favorite SpacePOP music video from the menu below. At the top, you can turn your microphone on or off and your camera on or off. When you're ready to put yourself in the music video, press and hold the bomb button.
We about to start something big. Don't know where as long as we get there.
When you're finished video bombing, press finish. This will stitch your video into the SpacePOP music video. Next, you can review your video bomb and publish it into your video bomb profile. In the video bomb profile, make sure your SpacePOP video bomb is set to public. Next, tap the icon to share your video bomb on your favorite social media channels. Be sure and use hashtag #SixFlagsSweeps, hashtag SpacePOP, and hashtag Boom to be entered to win. Have fun, and we look forward to seeing your SpacePOP video bombs.
'Cause I got